Hello, my name is Neil McLean and I would like to share my experience of transactional data reconciliation as part of an Oracle e-business suite upgrade to help you have an efficient, successful upgrade. I was a lead consultant for accounts payable, payments and e-business tax in a FTSE 100 company that upgraded from 11.5.10 to 12.1.3 in 2012. I additionally assisted in the general ledger, human resources and reporting upgrade. As you're aware, an EBS upgrade is no trivial exercise and will normally span several months to over a year, so any steps that you can take to make it a smooth journey are well worth taking. It is well documented that one of the biggest reasons for a project to fail is because of the lack of user involvement. I find that if a user's first experience is negative, then you'll struggle to get continued engagement from them. That's why it's important to identify issues early on, and hopefully the following tools will help you identify transactional issues before your users do. I wanted to share the two most important tools that I used during the upgrade process. The first tool is a Master GDF Diagnostics report provided by Oracle on my Oracle support ID 136039.0.1. The Master GDF Diagnostics tool is provided by Oracle because so many customers were experiencing significant data corruption during the upgrade process, and this is what I experienced as well. The Master GDF tool can be downloaded and installed by a DBA as a concurrent request or can be run by the DBA. It is designed to highlight invoice payments, accounting, suppliers and e-business tax issues. The big advantage of this tool is it's able to run for a period or for a single transaction and show you a list of Oracle identified bugs as well as the related My Oracle support ID on how to fix those bugs. This information can be used to quickly identify some of the issues that you're experiencing and hopefully find patches to resolve those issues without having to do a lot of digging about and raising SRs with Oracle. There are, however, a number of disadvantages with using this approach. For one, it only shows the issues that Oracle are aware of, and then back in 2012 when I used this report there was a number of generic data fixes required that Oracle weren't aware of. As more and more of the items are added into the tool, it becomes more robust and covers more of the issues, reducing the risk, but there is always a small amount of risk that your issue hasn't yet been identified by anyone else and won't be highlighted with this tool. The report can only be run for a single transaction or a date range. This can be quite restrictive, meaning you either get one really small report for that single transaction or you have a massive report for a period in time. This means you have to run through the report, checking through what's been returned and making sure everything's relevant, spending quite a lot of time analysing the results. I found that there was a couple of times where the report returned a generic data fix that I didn't feel was appropriate to that transaction. This is unhelpful because you have to apply a patch, check that it's not broken anything else, and there's an amount of time that you have to spend regression testing and making sure that everything's okay. Once you've fixed all the relevant issues, you're left with a blank report, but accountants prefer to sign on a reconciled set of numbers and not blank reports, and for this reason you need an additional tool to be able to take to the business to get sign off. My final comment on the Master GDF tool is that transactions can sometimes fall into multiple GDFs. If you find this, I would run one patch and then rerun the GDF report to ensure the other is still required. Oracle state that you can run them all, but I experienced some issues where I had to run the patch in a particular order or it was unsuccessful. Next, I would recommend you get access to a comprehensive reporting tool. As I said before, the GDF tool is not guaranteed to find all the issues and is fairly rigid with the search criteria. You will need a tool that allows you to create ad hoc reporting with flexible filters. I used Insight Unlimited by insightsoftware.com. I really liked how simple it is to run a report and then add additional columns or drill down to further detail, which really helps with ad hoc analysis. It was key to have flexible filters that allowed me to search on whatever I want without needing to rewrite any code. It is fundamental that I was able to complete reconciliations using the same report in two different environments. This gave me a clear method of testing and recording the transactions were reconciled, and I was able to use the report to get business sign-off. By making use of the Master GDF tool and a comprehensive reporting tool, you should be able to deliver a robust R12 platform to your end user, helping to make a smooth upgrade. Good luck and feel free to contact me if you have any questions.